Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove header from a particular page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document and take some text and some header. Now we want to remove the second page header. Go to the second page, then go to layout menu and click breaks drop down menu and choose next page. Then go to the third page and apply this same process. Then go back the second page and double click on the header text. Then click link to previous. Then select the header text and close the text. Then go to the third page and click link to previous. Then write this header text. Then click close header and footer. Now we can see here we remove the header from a particular page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.